Hey Hannah, what do you know about the St. Vincent Amazon parrot?
Hey Allie, the St. Vincent Amazon parrot is a colorful, large bird that is found in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and is known for being the country's national bird.
What do you think is the main problem with these parrots?
Unfortunately, there is not a well accepted technique in literature for marking the Amazona gildini parrots. One such reason is that the birds have strong, powerful beaks and can easily remove their tags, like leg bands.
These intelligent birds make marking difficult. Let's look at some common techniques for marking large birds, such as leg banding, neck collars, wing tags, and harnesses.
We should consider how long the markings will last, how far away we can see them from, how expensive they are, and if the markings can identify the birds individually.
As you can see in this video, leg bands are a non-invasive technique which involve placing a colorful plastic or metal band around the leg of the bird.
Leg bands are beneficial to allow for individualized marks for each parrot. There is no need for recapture in order to see the band, and they are also inexpensive.
Like we said before, parrots are intelligent birds which are known for being able to remove their own bands with their beaks. This leads to the disadvantage of leg bands being removed or lost, the difficulty in seeing the band numbers, and injuries can arise on the leg because of swelling, skin calluses, and in one case, the loss of a leg, according to Myers.
The next technique we will discuss are neck collars, which are a non invasive marking technique that involves the placing of a numbered tag on a collar around the bird's neck. This method does require capture.
In a previous study that used this technique to monitor monk parakeets in Spain, the tag loss was low and did not appear to affect the well being of the studied birds.
Because parrots tend to fly fast and high in the forest canopy, it may be difficult to recite the tags when the birds are actively moving. In addition, it is critical that the collar fits well, as an improper fit can lead to abrasions, infection, and other health risks, alongside with parrots being difficult to catch.
What you see in this video is an invasive marking technique that involves the attachment of a tag through the folds of the skin connecting the forelimbs to the hindlimbs, which is referred to as the patagium of the bird. The orange dot on this slide shows where the tag would be placed through the patagium.
With this marking technique, ideally the tag is highly visible and can be identified from all angles. In addition, this method has had great success with durability, making them a great option for long-term studies.
Unfortunately, some studies claimed tag loss was a prevalent issue. Additionally, the wing tag was linked with some behavioral changes, including animals being less likely to fly, traveling shorter distances, and flying slower.
Harnesses are a fascinating technology that can be used to track the movement of animals spatially and temporally with satellite telemetry, as well as individually marking the bird.
Harnesses are a very appealing technique because they can autonomously collect and store highly specific, bias-free movement data for long periods of time. This method has been used successfully in a wide range of bird species and can individually mark the parrots as well as being highly visible.
While this all is great, it is very important as researchers to consider the cost of this technology. Parrots also may not be the best subject for this technique because they may remove or damage the tracking gear with their powerful beaks or talons. Parrots are also notorious for being difficult to capture and restrain.
Given all of the available information, we recommend the use of harnesses because they are durable, have a high range of visibility, and allow for individuality, as well as being able to remotely collect and store a large amount of data. The other methods did not seem as feasible because parrots are known for being difficult to recite given their behavior and environment. This method allows for us to collect a significant amount of data without the need for the recapture of the birds. This method had the greatest potential to reduce bias.
Marking is an incredibly important part of wildlife research that can provide scientists and other conservationists with key information about animal behavior, survival, reproduction, movement, range, and other critical data. However, it is also essential that we select the best method to ensure the animal's well being.
On this slide and the next, we have included the academic articles we used to conduct our research.
Thank you for taking some time to watch our video. Please comment below your thoughts and questions.